Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today I brought a very interesting topic, and that's about learning the vocabulary of Chinese language. But that's not all. There is something else beside that. And what's that? We're going to get to know about that in a while. But before we proceed, those friends who did not subscribe to our channel, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with latest videos. जिन दोस्तों ने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको नए आने वाली वीडियोस वक्त पर मिल सके. So let's get proceeded and see what is there for us in this lecture. So the first thing that we are going to have in this lecture is we are going to get to know about different nouns, verbs and adjectives. हम इसम के बारे में जानेंगे, हम फ़ैल के बारे में जानेंगे, हम इसमें सिफत के बारे में जानेंगे. तो ये तीन चीज़ें तो अहम चीज़ें हैं. Three things are important. Okay. Besides that, what are we going to learn in this lecture? We are going to learn and practice tones on different words in Chinese language. That is most important thing. And without mastering it, an individual cannot master Chinese language. So this is the foundation and it is a key towards the fluency of Chinese language. If you want to speak fluently and if you want to speak in a right way, you have to master these tones first. And the third thing, which is obvious, we are going to add new vocabulary into our memory about Chinese language. हम अपनी मेमोरी में, अपनी यादाश्त में, अपने दिमाग में चाइनीज़ ज़बान के हवाले से नई वोकेबलरी को ऐड करने वाले हैं और टोन मार्क्स का प्रैक्टिस हम करेंगे जो कि बहुत ही अहम है. सो लेट्स प्रोसीड एंड सी. Okay, we have a table of nouns and the first noun is 苹果. Repeat after me as I pronounce it and you have to repeat after me, and this is the way you are going to master these tones. So I will just pronounce it just like that. 苹果苹果苹果苹果. You have to pull out your air out of your mouth. अपनी मुंह से आपने हवा बाहर निकालनी है जब आपने 苹果 जो है वो प्रोनाउंस करना है. 苹果 means apple, save. 桌子, this is a flat tone on O on the vowel, so you have to pronounce it like this. 桌子, there is no tone on Z, so you have just to Z, 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 just like when the phone vibrate, Z, like that sound. 桌子桌子 table, maze. 书书书 shu with first tone, flat tone, no rise and down of the pitch. Book, kitab. 电脑电脑电脑电. First is the fourth tone and the second one is a third tone, so you have to pronounce it accordingly. 电脑电脑 computer. 电视电视电视电视电视 television, TV. 单稿单稿单稿单稿. Okay, fourth tone and first tone. 单稿, fourth tone, fall down sharply from high pitch of the sound to low pitch of the sound. Let's proceed ahead. We have some verbs. Okay. 去去去去去去去去去. Chew, when you pronounce chew, you have to pull out the air out of your mouth and it means to go. Chew, and you have to squeeze your lips a little, so it has a sound of squeezing in here when it is pronounced. जब आप अपने लिप्स को थोड़ा करीब लाए जब आप इसको प्रोनाउंस करें. chew, हवा बाहर निकाले अपने मुंह से. chew chew means to go. 吃 with first tone means to eat, खाना. 吃 जो है पहले टोन के साथ इससे खाना बन जाता है. 吃吃吃. Okay. 跑跑跑跑跑跑跑 to run भागना 起起床起床起床起床 to get up उठना 起床 first is third tone and the second one is the second tone 睡觉睡觉睡觉睡觉睡觉 both are fourth tones to sleep sona. Okay, days and years. So the first one is 昨天昨天昨天昨天昨天 yesterday कल माजी गुजरा हुआ 今天今天今天今天今天 today आज 明天明天明天明天明天明天明天 tomorrow कल 去年去年去年去年去年 last year पिछला साल 今年今年今年今年今年 this year ये साल 明年明年明年明年明年明年明年明年明年明年 next year. Okay, adjectives 冷冷冷冷冷冷今天很冷冷 means cold सर्द या सर्दी 冷冷热热热热热热热 hot garam 甜甜甜甜甜甜甜 sweet मीठा 酸酸酸酸酸酸 first tone flat tone sore कड़वा 小小小小小小小 छोटा small 大大大大大 big बड़ा fourth tone. Okay, mix up words 洗洗洗洗 we means verb to wash धोना 鸡蛋鸡蛋鸡蛋鸡蛋鸡蛋 hen's egg मुर्गी का अंडा 房间房间房间 room कमरा 长长长长 pull out air out of your mouth 长长长长长 long लंबा 短短短短 short छोटा इसका opposite long का opposite लंबा का opposite 飞飞飞飞 to fly उड़ना 腿腿腿腿 legs टांग या टांगे. So folks, this is all for today. If you like our video, just do not forget to subscribe our channel and do recommend our channel to your friends, and we are going to meet a new video which will be more interesting, and I hope that I will get your feedback. So see you in next videos. Allah Hafiz.